Welcome to Creative Money Solutions. In a move that screams, what's another company to my portfolio? Elon Musk, the real-life Tony Stark and owner of, well, nearly everything, officially announced his new company, xAI, on a shiny new website Wednesday. Musk is evidently not satisfied with simply colonizing Mars or disrupting the automotive industry and has now set his sights on challenging AI bigwigs like Openai, Microsoft, and Google. So strap in, folks, because the tech billionaire has found another sandbox to play in. It's almost like Musk was tired of the limelight not being on him for a couple of minutes. So he announced xAI, dropping a name that had been floating around for months like a rumor at a high school dance. Back in March, he registered this mysterious company in Nevada, presumably in between tweeting about Dogecoin and launching rockets. This time around, Musk gathered a superstar team of 11 employees from Openai, Google, and the University of Toronto, making it seem like an all-star game of AI. Of course, this new venture is separate from Twitter, SpaceX, and Tesla, but they probably be having playdates, if the site is to be believed. Tesla, Musk's automotive baby that's been chasing the dream of self-driving cars for years, is already an AI powerhouse with a wealth of high-powered computers. These beast machines are perfect for training large language models, those smarty pants chatbots like Openai's Chatgpt that can write code, chat like a human, and pass professional exams. You know, stuff that makes us question our own intellectual prowess. And let's not forget Twitter, Musk's social media goldmine. That's practically a buffet of data for these language models. In a quote straight out of a sci-fi movie, the website states, "The goal of xAI is to understand the true nature of the universe." Well, that's straightforward enough. Any thoughts, Musk? Unfortunately, the man of the hour and Tesla's spokespersons played hard to get and didn't respond to requests for comment. Oh, the suspense. There's been a bit of drama when it comes to Musk's involvement with AI. He's voiced his concerns about AI's potential threats, warning us that we may accidentally create a Skynet-like superintelligence. He was one of the founding members of Openai, but parted ways with them in 2018, hinting they didn't quite see eye to eye on safety concerns. And let's not forget Openai, CEO Sam Altman's loving description of Musk as a jerk. However, he did mention Musk truly cares about AI's future. Love-hate relationship much. Musk's new AI squad features some of the brightest minds in the field, including the University of Toronto's Jimmy Ba, Google's ex-DeepMind researcher Toby Pohlen, and Christian Szegedy, another Google alumni. The Avengers of AI, ladies and gentlemen. Overseeing the potential Pandora's box is Dan Hendricks, the director of the Center for AI Safety, who will be advising xAI. Taking a humble salary of $1, Hendricks is essentially saying, "I'm here to ensure the robots don't take over, not for the cash." While some Tesla investors are grumbling about Musk juggling one too many companies, the race to master AI is on. Google, Microsoft, and their big tech buddies are investing billions in AI research, and now they have to deal with Musk throwing his hat in the ring. His announcement has lit a fire under the tech titans, who are now scrambling to improve their AI tools. So, as the race heats up, grab some popcorn and enjoy the show. This is sure to be one entertaining AI sprint. If you want to continue to hear the latest updates, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.